Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find review filtered comments on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now click comments, and here you will find review filtered comments like this. And that's how to find review filtered comments, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.